Two girls were playing in Amelia's backyard. One of them, Amelia, was wearing a new bracelet her grandmother had given her. The other girl, Aurelia, wanted to borrow it. "Please, just for a little while," Aurelia begged. Amelia hesitated, but finally agreed. After playing for a while, Aurelia tripped and broke the bracelet. Amelia was furious. "I told you not to break it," she yelled. Tears filled Aurelia's eyes as she apologized, but Amelia stormed off, not willing to forgive her. That evening, Amelia's mother noticed her mood and asked what had happened. After Amelia explained, her mother smiled softly and handed her a glass of water. "Take this glass and throw the water onto the ground," her mother said. Confused, Amelia did as she was told. "Now, put all the water back into the glass," her mother said calmly. "But that's impossible, Mom," Amelia replied. Her mother nodded and said, "Just like the water, once you let anger out, it's hard to take it back. Even if you forgive, the hurt might still remain." Amelia understood. The next day, she found Aurelia and said, "I'm sorry for getting angry. I forgive you."